Hello everyone! Are you looking for a property near Manila and accessible, offers a complete turnover, complete amenities, very peaceful at meron lang siyang small community? Consider the Pearl Townhouse at Olivares Home Southwoods, Binyan, Laguna. Has a lot area of 60 square meters and floor area of 71.20 square meters. Spacious living area with floor tiles, painted walls, with dining and kitchen area, service area. Ito ang toilet and bath sa ground floor. Complete fixtures na rin yan for your convenience. Merong mini balcony sa taas, 2 bedrooms and another toilet and bath na tamang-tama for your family. Spacious na rin siya, kaya hinihintay na lang ang gamit mo para maiayos mo na paglipat mo rito. Wala ka nang iisipin pa dahil complete finish na ito turn over ang unit na to. Siyempre, ito pa yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa Olivares Home Southwoods with complete amenities, 24/7 gate security, meron siyang clubhouse, parks and playground, meron siyang basketball court, at siyempre meron din siyang swimming pool. So, kapag may mga big event nga kayo, pwede na kayo dito, instead na mag-rent sa labas ng event place, pwede na sa clubhouse. No need na rin mag-rent ng private resort dahil meron na ditong swimming pool. Oh, mabilis lang yan ha. Tara, tripping tayo.